Okay, I've had a lot of customers ask about the sound of the SimplyGo, and it's really very quiet for a portable oxygen concentrator, but I thought what I'd do is bring one home and compare it to some household sounds, and the best thing I could think of that's common for everyone is the sound of the kitchen sink running. So I'm going to first just show the controls, turn it off and on, a couple of the different modes, and then we'll move into kind of this sound test that I hope gives you a comparison of just how quiet the SimplyGo is. To turn it on, you actually hit this power button twice, and that'll turn it on. And I have a nasal cannula hooked up so you can kind of hear it with that actually attached. Now right now it's on a continuous flow, which is the little waves that signifies that we actually have a continuous flow of oxygen going right now. It's on a 1.5. If we hit the mode button, that's the nighttime mode. And this here means the pulse mode, which is what most portable oxygen concentrators only have, the pulse. But here with the SimplyGo, they've got the continuous, and that's indicated by the waves. So we'll let it come back over here to a 1.5. Yeah, I'm talking kind of the normal, what would be a phone voice, so you can kind of compare and hear against my voice how the SimplyGo sounds. Now then, we'll step back here just a little bit, and then I will turn on the water and use that as a comparison as well. So I'm just going to turn on the kitchen sink. So there's the sound of the sink running. The SimplyGo is still running, and obviously the water is much louder. I'll shut that off. I'm actually going to take it down to like a trickle. And then we'll move back in, and you should be able to hear the trickle and the SimplyGo. I'll be quiet for a minute so you can hear the two. And the water just kind of running in a dribble, hitting the sink. I think everybody relates to that sound. Back over to the SimplyGo. And now with that water still dribbling, I'm going to flip it over to pulse mode so you can hear it. So now we have a pulse mode running at a setting of a 3, so that's about midway. Once again, you can hear the water in the background. SimplyGo is running. I'll be quiet here again for a minute, or a few seconds. Now I'm actually going to shut the water off so you can hear only the SimplyGo. You can hear it cycle in the pulse mode, but it's very, very quiet. The only time you hear it is when it kind of kicks in with that pulse. If you can see the meter on the screen, it's actually charging right now too, so that's why you see those bars going up and down. And on that upper left-hand corner, that is where you see the symbol that shows pulse. And if I hit the mode again, that is showing this getting ready to deliver continuous oxygen at a setting of 1.5. And then the other mode is the nighttime mode. And we'll listen to it. That's at a very high 6. So I'm going to bring it down to another 3. And then we'll go back to, let's go back to continuous. Once again, we'll turn on the water. That's kind of the full blast, and then back to a trickle. And then just to end, we'll end up with just about 20 seconds of only SimplyGo. Alright, well that's kind of a household test of common household noises against the SimplyGo and its different functions. I'll go ahead and shut it off, and once again you hit the power button twice. So anyway, I hope that kind of gives you an idea of how quiet the SimplyGo is. Thank you.